Credit. Verb. 1. Transitive, to believe, to put credence in. For example, someone said there were over 100,000 people there, but I can't credit that. 2. Transitive, accounting, to add to an account, confer debit. For example, credit accounts receivable with the amount of the invoice. 3. Transitive, to acknowledge the contribution of. For example, I credit the town council with restoring the shopping district. 4. Transitive, to bring honor or repute upon, to do credit to raise the estimation of. Credit. Noun. 1. Reliance on the truth of something said or done, faith, trust. 2. Uncountable, recognition and respect. For example, I give you credit for owning up to your mistake. 3. Countable, acknowledgement of a contribution, especially in the performing arts. For example, she received a singing credit in last year's operetta. 4. Television/film, usually in the plural, written titles and other information about the TV program or movie shown at the beginning and / or end of the TV program or movie. For example, they kissed, and then the credits rolled. 5. Uncountable, law, business, a privilege of delayed payment extended to a buyer or borrower on the seller's or lender's belief that what is given will be repaid. For example, in view of your payment record, we are happy to extend further credit to you. 6. The time given for payment for something sold on trust. For example, a long credit or a short credit. 7. Uncountable, U.S., a person's credit rating or creditworthiness, as represented by their history of borrowing and repayment, or non-payment. For example, what do you mean my credit is no good? 8. Accounting, an addition to certain accounts. 9. Tax accounting, a reduction in taxes owed, or a refund for excess taxes paid. For example, didn't you know that the IRS will refund any excess payroll taxes that you paid if you use the 45B, General Business Credit? 10. A source of value, distinction, or honor. For example, that engineer is a credit to the team. 11. An arbitrary unit of value, used in many token economies. For example, to repair your Star Cruiser will cost 100,000 credits. 12. Uncountable, recognition for having taken a course, class. For example, if you do not come to class, you will not get credit for the class, regardless of how well you do on the final. 13. Countable, a course credit, a credit hour, used as measure if enough courses have been taken for graduation. For example, dude, I just need 3 more credits to graduate, I can take sociolinguistics of Swahili if I want.